In a world where digital transformation is key, Rower Consulting stands at the forefront, but what sets us apart? Let's row through the waves of innovation together. Founded in 2017, Rower draws its strength from the philosophy of ROW, results-only work environment, where performance speaks louder than words. But it's not just about rowing, it's about teamwork. Partnering with companies across various industries, Rower accelerates digital transformation and enables organizations to unleash their full potential. With a specialization in data engineering fundamentals, we automate manual processes, enabling automation, analytics, and software engineering of operational systems for web and mobile. Our team boasts over 100 years of combined experience, ensuring that your journey towards digital excellence is guided by seasoned professionals. At Rower, we believe in the power of data to drive strategic insights, empowering organizations to make smarter decisions. Say goodbye to spreadsheet headaches. With Rower's expertise in report automation and dashboard development, we streamline your processes, giving you more time to focus on what matters most. Made up of data scientists, BI architects, analysts, consultants, and software developers, our team accelerates project timelines, delivering answers faster so you can excel in your domain. Partnering with industry leaders like Microsoft, Tableau, Alteryx, and Amazon Web Services, Rower ensures that you have access to the best tools and technologies for your digital journey. Join us at Rower Consulting, where define, evolve, grow isn't just a tagline, it's our commitment to your success. Visit our website to learn more and embark on your journey towards digital excellence today.